Today I will explain about is logical DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here, this is logical DAX function syntax. Is logical and add value. Okay, is logical and value. Okay, let's check this DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here, I'm already prepared some data, and next I'm clicking new column. I'm typing my column name is text. Okay, is text. Check whether a value is a text or it returns a true or false. Okay, now I'm adding my day one. Okay, next sales and add day one and close this parenthesis. Okay, see this here, and now I'm creating new column. My column name is logical. Okay, is logical. Now I'm adding my day one sale, my sales day one. Okay, sales day one. See this here, in this place don't have logical value, so it's automatically showing false. Is text is here, is text showing logical values, so this false, true or false, this all are logical values. So now I'm adding particular in this column. See this here, logical, and select is text and close this parenthesis. See this here, is logical is a function name, is sales is a sales column name, and is text. See this here, this is a is text column. Now in this column have logical values, so it's automatically showing true. So this is logical DAX function in Power BI Desktop.